Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to resend a Docusign document. Whether someone missed your original email or needs another copy, resending is a quick and simple process that takes just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Docusign dashboard where you can manage all your documents and agreements. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Agreements. This section is where all your Docusign documents are organized, giving you access to everything you've sent, received, or are waiting on. It's essentially your command center for managing all document activity. Now look over to the left sidebar. You'll see different categories for your agreements such as Inbox, Sent, and others. For this task, click on Sent. This will filter your view to show only the documents you've sent out to others. It's a helpful way to quickly locate the specific agreement you need to resend without sifting through your entire document library. Scroll through the list until you locate the Docusign document you want to resend. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that document entry. You'll notice 3 dotted lines, which is the menu icon for that specific agreement. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing that document. From the menu that appears, select Resend. This action will trigger Docusign to send another copy of the agreement to the original recipient or recipients. They'll receive a fresh email notification with the document, just as if you were sending it for the first time. This is especially useful if the original email got lost, overlooked, or accidentally deleted. And there you have it. Your Docusign document has been successfully resent, ensuring your recipient gets another opportunity to review and sign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.